Hello kids, good morning. How are you today? I'm so happy to see you here with me. Hello Renata, hello Laura Elena. Hi Martin, hi Valeria. Hello Constanza, how are you kids? Today we are going to have an inquiry session here. Hello Jiwoo, hi Constanza. Okay, what do you think? Do you want to start now? Yes? Yay! Excellent. Okay. What can you see behind of me? Do you see that pictures? What can you see in the picture, kids? Hello, Leanne. Today I'm going to talk to you about the Unit 6. It is the unit that we start this week. So, do you remember the name of that unit? Yes or not? It is about the pictures that we have below me. Okay? For example, we have a planet. There are animals. What else can you see, kids? Who can tell me? Okay, yes, Matias says that there is a kid hugging the earth. And why do you think he's doing that, Matias? Yes, there is also a planet, Leanne, that's right. What else can you see? There are some animals, there are humans also. And do you remember what is the name of the unit? Yes, Renata says it is sharing the planet. Very good, Renata, that's right. We have sharing the planet. And what do you think it is about sharing the planet? Okay, Matias says because we care the planet. Yeah, that's why people were hugging the planet, right? Excellent, Matias. Okay, in this unit, we are going to talk about how people establish practices to maintain and protect the earth resources. Do you know what is a earth resource, kids? What do you think is that? Maybe the earth resources can be the natural resources? I think yes, right? For example, here we have how can we save the water, how can we save the energy, how can we save the environment. And have you ever heard the word recycling? Do you know what is recycling? Yes, Renata? What do you think is that? Have you ever recycled something, kids? Like what? For example, I have recycling a bottle of plastic, or you can recycle also paper. Yes? Do you have another idea of recycling? Water. Yes, that's right, Renata. Also, we can recycle water. Okay, yes. Also, here we have the earth, and it says protect me, because the earth has and need protection. And as humans, we have to protect our natural resources, kids. Yes, Elisa, there are animals, people, and also the planet. We have to protect each other. So, for the concepts that we are going to see in this unit, it is responsibility, kids. Do you remember what is responsibility? I think it's when you have to do something, right? That is in your hands. For example, you have to maintain clean your room. You have to take care of the plants in your home. What else can you do to be responsible? Also, do your homeworks is part of your responsibility. But what responsibility do you have with your planet? Can we have a responsibility for our planet? What do you think about that? Also, we have perspective. How can we see the world? What can we see in the world and how can we change it? That's why also we have change. How can we transform the world? How can we transform the materials that we have? For example, in recycling. Also, we are going to see the resources, like natural resources, and also we have another ones that are human-made. Recycling, and we have to take care and we have to take the decisions to be different, to transform the world. But let's continue, okay? We are going to do it later. For this line, for these 2 weeks, we are going to see the natural resources, how they are used and how they are protected. Okay? So let's see. How natural resources are used and protected, kids. Do you know that? That we can use them and we can protect them? But first, let's play a game, okay? I have here a game for you. It is about if you already know what is a natural resource and what is a human-made resource, okay? So if you think that is a natural resource, you are going to share the emoji of a tree. And if you think it is a human-made, you can put in your chat an emoji of a human, of a person, okay? Do you want to play? Yes? Okay, so let's start. Do you know what resource is this? Do you think it is a natural resource or a human-made resource? Let's see. I want to see in the chat, kids. Is that a natural resource? If you think it is a natural resource, remember, it is a tree. And if it is a human-made, you write a human. Okay, let's write it in the comments. Okay, Renata says it is a natural resource. Okay, also Martin. And what about the other kids? Let's write it, kids. Okay, yes, the water is a natural resource because it becomes from the nature. Very good. Also, Leyan, that's right, Leyan. It is a natural resource. No, what can you see there? What can you see in the picture? Do you already use that? What do you see there? There is a bus, there is a car, and also a bicycle, right? Do you think that is a natural resource? Or are they human-made? Let's write it in the comment, kids. Is that a natural resource or human-made? Okay, I want to see you. Let's do it. Okay, Renata says it is a human-made. What do you think, kids? Is that right? Is that a human-made? Yes? Leyan? No? Why? Why do you think no, Leyan? Okay, Roberta says yes, it is a human-made because it is made by humans. You cannot see that a bike growing up from the earth, right? It is made by humans. It is made in a fabric. Okay, let's continue. No, the other one. Wow, what can you see? What do you think is that, kids? There are so many plants and they are beautiful. Do you like plants? Hello, Gerard. Yes, Matthias. Okay. What do you think about plants? It is a natural resource or human-made? Let's write it. Let's put the emoji, kids. Renata, yes, that's right, Renata. Good job. It is a natural resource. Oh, good job. Very good. Emmanuel, also you have there your natural resource. Good job. Jiwoo, Roberta, that's right. And let's go for the other one. We have school supplies. Do you have that at your home? Yes? Do you have school supplies at your home? For example, when you write, when you draw something, yes, when you cut something, the scissors, papers, colors. What do you think about that? Are they natural resources? Or are they human-made? Let's see. Let's write it. I want to see you kids. Let's participate. Okay. Renata and Roberta say there are human-made. Yay, that's right. Excellent. Very good, Mariano. Yes, they are by humans. Also the houses, right? Let's go for the other. We have animals. Are animals human-made or are natural? Are they natural resources also? What do you think, kids? Martin, let's see. Are animals a natural resource or human-made? Renata says natural. What do you think, kids? Martin, yes, it is a natural resource. Very good, you're so smart. Let's go for the other one. Look, it is something that Mariano and Leanne has already said. What about the houses? Is your house a natural resource? It comes from the nature and it grows up like a plant? Or it is human-made? What do you think about your houses? Let's write it, kids. Renata, yes, good job. Jiwoo, Jesus, Emmanuel. They are human-made. Can you see in the picture? They are building the house. Yes, very good. That's right, kids. Know that we have natural resources and also human-made resources in our homes and in our cities. But what natural resources do you have at your home? Can you tell me? Let's put an emoji, let's write an emoji. What natural resources do you have? Can you write it? Okay. What natural resources do you have at your home? For example, I know that also I have fruits. Do you think the fruits are natural? I think yes, because it comes from the nature. What another thing can you find at your home that is natural? Also, if you have a pet, like a dog or a cat, plants, that's right, Renata. Excellent. Okay. So yes, we have so many natural resources, but the three most important are Mr. Ground, that is the earth, where are the trees. Also we have the water and the air, okay? So okay, so here, okay kids, so I have a video for you, and here you are going to hear teacher Anaid explaining you how she used the natural resources. So let's pay attention to the video, okay? And let's see how teacher Anaid used the resources they have at home.
Hello, teacher Sharon. Now that I hear you talking about with the natural or my main things, I have noticed some things in the community and I would like to know what the children think.
Okay, did you see the video? Thank you, teacher Anaid. What did you see there? Do you think that is correct or is it bad? Yes, Renata says bad, but why, Renata? Why do you think that? Yes, can you see the trees, the water? But what happened with the natural resources? Are they being protected or not? What do you think? Laura Elena says also it was bad. Yes. And why do you think that, kids? Why do you think it is bad in the video? We should protect. We have to protect the natural resources. And in the picture that we saw in the video that the teacher and I shares to us, there was some pictures and they were wasting the natural resources, right? Do you see the tree that was like cut? That is not good. What else is not good? Do you see the water also? What the kid was doing? He was wasting the water. Renata says that it is contaminating. That's right. We can contaminate the water, also the plants. If we don't take care of the plants, the air can be contaminated also. So kids, I have a question for you. How do you use your natural resources? Do you use like in the video? Do you use your natural resources like in the video? Or do you take care of them? Do you take care of your natural resources at home? Or do you do the same like in the video? This is a reflection for you kids. Let's think about it. Am I taking care of the natural resources or not? What can I do to protect the natural resources? What can you do for the earth? Jonu says, use them carefully. Good job, Jonu. That is a good opinion. Really, Renata? Renata says that she loves the natural resources. Yes, we almost love the natural resources. It is like a responsibility that we have. Oh, yes, teacher Cynthia says that we can recycle. It is a good solution. What another solution can you think, kids, to protect our natural resources? Renata. Yes. What another solution do you think about it? So this is like a homework for you kids. You have to think what can you do in your house to make and protect the natural resources that you have. For example, the water, the garbage. What can you do with the garbage? Also with the trees, how can you take care of the plants? How can you take care of the water? And also with the light. The light is also a natural resource. Yes, Roberta says to take care of the water. And also teacher Cynthia says don't waste water. That is a good idea. Yes, because the water is so important to us. It is the principal resource that we need. Okay. So, Dulce says that she loves plants. That's good. So, yes, kids, in the inquiry class, you can comment to your teacher what solutions can you do for taking care of the planet. Renata says like clean the water. Oh, that sounds so interesting, Renata. Also, Roberta says plant. Yes, it is so important to plant things. For example, if we cut the trees, we can plant another one. Hello, Gerard. Okay. So kids, this is a reflection for you. What another things can you do? And you can comment it to your teachers. What solutions do you think you can have for your home, for your city, to take care of the planet? Okay? And later, we are going to comment about it. Okay? So, this is all for me for today. I hope that you like, and remember to search and think about how can you help the planet. What things can you do? What else can you do to take care of the planet and make a better one? Okay? So, bye. Hope that you have a good day. And remember, take care of your natural resources, okay? See you.